Hey guys, it's Tisha here. Wanted to come to bring to you just to show you what's in the new Business Builder kits. And I've already done two videos, but I got a new one out and I want to show you what the differences are with that one. So go to the creativeurbanwoman.com, creativeurbanwoman.com. And I was thinking, what if someone doesn't want one, just three, they want just one. So I have come up with a Business Builder kit that just contains one journal. Okay. So this one's called Empowered to Heal Myself. So if you come here and you go to the Business Builder Kits and then you click on the Empowered to Heal Myself self-care journal, you're going to see what's all in this journal. Excuse me, the computer's taking a little while to load, but I've got a video. I'm going to share this video in the description. Well, the description will be over here, so I'm going to share this video, but it is a spiral and paperback wraparound cover, right? So the paperback is a wraparound cover, and then you're going to have the opportunity to upload it in spiral as well. You're also going to get a website, same as the others, but this one, you're also going to get a freebie, a download that you can use to generate people to come to your list. So a list builder. So what are you getting? You're getting an already done for you journal that's ready to publish to Amazon or the Book Patch, and then you're going to get the author's website. I need to correct that. The author's website. Then you're going to get affirmation cards. Okay. You're also going to get, check this out, a book description so you can use when you're uploading things to KDP and the Book Patch. So I'm really making it easy, and I have step-by-step videos for you on how to load it to KDP, how to load it up to the Book Patch. And you also are also going to get edible social media promotion graphics. So let me show you what this looks like here. Give me one moment. Let me move this thing out the way. So let's go over. So this is what your graphics will look like. This is what you're getting in this kit. So you're going to be able to actually, you can put the title here. Um, yeah, you can put the title here. I may change that to actually add the title, but you can put the title here. You can put whatever words you want there, right? A daily self-care journal. And so you're going to get all of these here. Meet your author. You are going to need to customize it with your name. My computer is running really slow. So this is the cover page is what it looks like, and it includes 100 pages. It's going to show you what the inside look like. I'm sorry, the computer is not loading. It's Canva. Canva has issues like that. Here's some graphics, so book review, and then let's see if I can reload this page because it's giving me a hard time right now. Isn't it just like, the computer when you go to do something? So I'm down here at the bottom, and you're going to have these graphics here. You have graphics that are actually set in backgrounds, which it's not showing. So let's see if that page loads, but I'm going to go over to the next one. Here's your book description. It's actually not in Canva. It's going to be a PDF, but I just wanted to show you. You'll just be able to actually copy and paste that. It's going to cut your upload time in Canva down greatly. And then here is your affirmation card deck that you're going to get here. So it's 10 cards that someone can, you're going to get the PDF to this. And yeah, you're going to get the PDF, and you'll be able to, just use that PDF and actually link it to your email list or however you're doing to generate your customers. What I would suggest is that you use your Google link, upload it to your Google Drive and then use your Google link in the drive to attach that to whatever you want. I mean, you can also attach it to your website too, but you want it to list build. So you want it to actually make it so that they have to give you their email address in order to get this, unless you're giving it away with the purchase of your book. I mean, that's something that you can do as well. Okay. Here's what the website looks like. So this is your first page. What I would suggest that you do is, and I show you your author's website or your author's page in Amazon. I would suggest you link this there so that way whatever books you upload, it'll show under you. Um, and then you've got a little bit about the book and the bounded copy, and then the spiral, and you're going to put the links there, put a little bit about you, change the picture out. You got what your customers are saying, so you can change these out as well. And then you got your free affirmation cards, got a little note here, free affirmations card download now. This should connect to your autoresponder, and then once they put in their email address, your autoresponder should give them this product, okay, which is what we just looked at. And again, they can subscribe to your email, and then you can follow. You'll have to put your links here, attach your links to the different social medias so that you can, you know, they can just click and go. And here you can just go back up to the top. Well, it doesn't work because I'm in Canva, but you can go back up to the top there. When this site is published, you also are going to see navigation links up at the top as well. So it's really going to be a cool cool kit here. Here's your insides and what your inside looks like here. Of course, you can customize these things, customize. If you don't want to say hi there, you can change that. If you don't want that page, you can change that as well. Make sure to update this page, and you can delete elements that you don't need. But this is what your self-care page is. And there are 100 pages. And then there's a thank you page at the end. So let me see if the graphics page loaded. No, that's a Canva issue. I don't know what's going on. You see it twirling? I don't know if you can see it twirling, but it's still twirling. Uh, Let me see if I have some graphics in my uploads I can show you. Oh, no, of course not. It's not working there either. There's one graphic. Well, that you saw that one, but these are some graphics that you're going to get here. Isn't it just like technology not to want to work when you're trying to do a video? I don't know what's going on with it. It's probably Zoom and Canva not working well together. Okay, so these are some that are popping up. They're popping up. So you got 21 pages here of graphics. There's some graphics. So you got 21 pages here of graphics. And even though they're not showing on the main screen, you can see this here and what your graphics are going to look like. Okay. So that's it. Let me know what questions you have. This is going to be a great deal. If you just want one book, you want one book, you see the price, everything in the store is 50% off. So this is going to be a steal. This stuff takes a lot of work to do. And this is designed specifically for that book. Even the ones that, everything is designed for that particular book. So it takes you to have to do a new one each and every time. This isn't something that's templated, okay? Except the insides of the book. That may be. But again, you can customize these pages if you want to have, some sayings at the bottom or something, or you want to put, I don't know, something in the background. You are free to do that. You want to put something on this page here, you can do that as well. So hope you enjoy this new kit, just to bring you this one book. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this type of kit here. And if you have any other suggestions on what else we can do to bring something that's going to help you to be successful in self-publishing and getting your books or your business, in the limelight, or just adding some additional money to your pocket, because that's my whole goal, is to give you the tools you need to help you to add that extra income. All right. All right. So this is Tisha, the Creative Urban Woman. I'm out.